Ever wondered how GST works in India? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of Goods and Services Tax, or GST, as it's commonly known. India operates on a dual GST system, meaning both the central and state governments have a say in how GST is levied on transactions. This dual system has two main types of GST: Central Goods and Services Tax, also known as CGST, and State Goods and Services Tax, or SGST. So, what exactly is CGST? It's the component of GST that the central government collects on intrastate supplies of goods and services. In simpler terms, it's the tax you pay when you buy or sell goods within the same state. And where does this revenue go? Straight to the central government's coffers. On the other hand, SGST is the tax collected by the state government on intrastate supplies of goods and services. This is the tax you pay when you buy or sell goods within your own state. The revenue from SGST goes directly to the state government where the supply takes place. But what about union territories? They're not quite states, but they're not quite central government territory either. Well, that's where Union Territories Goods and Services Tax, or UTGST, comes in. UTGST is levied in addition to CGST and is collected by the central government. The revenue collected from UTGST is then shared with the respective union territories. Now you might be wondering, what happens when goods and services are supplied between different states and union territories in India? Enter Integrated Goods and Services Tax, or IGST. IGST is levied on these interstate transactions and is collected by the central government. It replaces the earlier central sales tax on interstate sales. The revenue generated from IGST is later distributed among the states. In summary, India's dual GST system consists of CGST, SGST, UTGST, and IGST. CGST and SGST are collected on intrastate supplies, with the former going to the central government and the latter to the state government. UTGST applies to union territories and is collected by the central government. IGST is levied on interstate supplies and is also collected by the central government, with the revenue distributed among the states. There you have it, a comprehensive look at how GST works in India. Each type of GST plays a crucial role in the country's tax structure, helping to fuel both state and central government initiatives. So the next time you make a purchase, you'll know exactly where your tax rupees are going.